Living in a Castle 10, starring Gwalia, starring Medrod and friends. Written and illustrated by Sarah L. Dolan. What was it like? Gwalia, the mouse, and Medrod, the cat, lived in a medieval castle a long time ago.
But what was it like?
There were no cars, no trains, no aeroplanes, but there were horses, ships, and people walked a lot. No toilet paper, but there were garderobes. That's what they call toilets. Soap and water, but no hairdryer. No central heating. Not always any glass in the windows, but where there was a fire, it was warm and cosy. And sometimes it was sunny. No school and no homework. Not many people could read or write. Sunrise and sunset, but no clocks. No electricity, no phone, no batteries, no apps. No electric lights, but you could see the stars at night. No supermarkets, no takeaways, no ready meals, no microwaves. But there was bread, eggs, vegetables, fruit, honey, and beer. Lots of beer. No pasta, no pizza, no pop, no chips, no chocolate. Excuse me for passing wind. The writer is very glad Gwalia hasn't drunk any pop. No television to watch, but plenty of things to do, like chasing mice. Like running away from cats.
Eek! Time to leave!
There were lots of mice to chase. Gwalia wasn't the only mouse living in the castle, but there was only one cat. Medrod. Or was there?
Double trouble!